Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to generate 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI. So we will go in Power BI. Make sure that you click on the white portion of this canvas to create the new chart. Click on this 100% stacked bar chart. So we'll have to specify y-axis, x-axis, legend, and small multiples. So let's pick up segment. On x-axis, we will pick up sales. On legend, we will pick up the category. And in small multiples, we will pick up the shipping mode. These are all categorical variables. So in legend, categorical variables. In small multiples, the categorical variable is there. Now activate the focus mode. So what is a 100% stacked bar chart? It will give you the percentage that out of total sales of 49,879, 31.34% belongs to this category. Now you can hover the mouse and the percentages will change. So in consumer section, 31.34% is for furniture, 30.28% is for office supplies, and 38.38% is for the technology. So if I require more information on this chart, the tooltip option is available for me. So I'll pick up the quantity and drop it into the tooltip. Let's hover the mouse again, and it will give me the sum of the quantity. Still, if I require more information, then I'll pick up, let's say I pick up the region and drop it in tooltips. Is it working? So it will display the first region only? No, that's not possible. Let me pick up the profit. Yeah, and drop it here. Does it display the? Yes, it displays the profit as well as the quantity. Now, if I want to format this, I'll click on format your visual. We'll be having visual and general. First, y-axis. So in y-axis, I can change the font type. So just see if I increase this number, the size of the font is changing. I can make it bold. Click. At any moment of time, if I want to uh, go back to the original settings, just press on reset to default and it will be done. So let's decrease its size and make it 9. I can change the color from here. So switch axis position. So now it is on right hand side. Activate the title. If I require any title, I'll write down sales according to the segment. The title will appear. See, sales according to the segment. I can change the font type, its size. So at present, I will off it. Now, again click on x-axis. I can specify the minimum and maximum range. So minimum and maximum range can be specified from here. Invert the range. Shared y-axis. So by sharing the shared x-axis, so this numbers will be displayed here. If I off it, on it, values of x-axis, it is possible to increase the font size of these values. We can change the color also from here. The title, if I require any title, just like in case of y-axis, we can specify the title also. We can change the font type, its size and color. Now let's talk about the legend. This one. So it is at top left. Make it sure that you bring it in the bottom center or top center. It's also possible to change its text type and font size. So I'll make this as Times New Roman. Let us make it bold, change its color. So the title, it is written category. I want to add one word category wise. So it will display category wise. At any moment of time, if I want to reset to the default, just press this and it will be done. Now activate the small multiples. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. I can make it 3 by 3 or 1 by 3, 2 by 3 or 2 by 2. By increasing this padding, it is possible to increase the white portion in your charts. See this. Now let's talk about the border line. This one, border. If you want on all the four sides, just activate all. So on all four sides, the border will appear. It's a solid line. Line color. Let's make it brown. Increase the line width. Title. So this first class, same day, second class, standard class is on the top. It can be changed to bottom. The font color can also be changed of this. Make it sure that you bring it in the center. Now let's activate the background. And we will pick up a very silent colors. Gray color. Activate the grid lines. So the dotted lines are there. Make it off. We don't require any grid line. The grid lines which were in the chart, we don't want it. Now let's activate the bars. The colors can also be changed of these bars. I'll just change one color and you will be able to understand. So just see this. Again, reset to default. You can reverse the stacking order. Now activate the spacing between these bars. See, if I increase this, the white portion will increase. Minimum category width can also be specified from here. Now let's talk about the data labels on it. And this is the most interesting feature of this stacked bar chart. It gives me the percentage, not the values. This gives me the percentage. Now click on plot area background. I can put the images also. Is it possible to insert the dark image? Let's see. Uh, and or we will pick up the another image. Yeah, so this is much better. So the visual setting has been done. Now we will go into the general setting. Click on general. Back to report. Properties. By changing this number, the height will change. See this. The width will be changing. Activate the position. The chart will shift horizontally on right hand side, vertically, padding. If I increase this padding, the chart, that is internally, the chart will move on right hand side, left hand side, to the bottom, to the top. Make sure that in the advanced options, responsive is on. Now let's talk about the title, this title, which is in black color. So I'll remove the sum. I'll remove the quantity also. The font type can be changed, its size can be changed, its color can also be changed. Now let's talk about the background of this title. So this time we will pick up pink color. Horizontal adjustment, it should be in the center. Text wrapping, if I on it, you just see the changes if I off it, see, and on. If the subtitle is necessary, on it and write down the subtitle. Now let's talk about the divider, which is in the center. Divider on, color, black color. I can increase or decrease the width of this line. The options available are, it can also be the dashed line. Let's talk about the spacing of this title. It can be increased or decreased. So this is a spacing. Let's talk about the effects. So the color, we'll take a very light color now. Increase the transparency. Right, and the visual border. Do we require the visual border? Yes, if we require it, on it. And the visual border should be having a color, dark color, blue. Do I require a rounded corners? So this will become round. See, this corner will become round. Shadow on, color can be selected of the shadow, which color. So its offset is outside or inside. So you can set it inside also. Bottom right. All these options are available. Top right. Header icons. So we can select the colors of this header icons. Background. Do we require the background? One. Border. And the color of the icon. Transparency. Make sure that all the icons are on. So this is ready. The chart is ready. Now activate the focus mode. Now what are the options available here? So you can export this data in the CSV format. Show as table. A table will be displayed here. Now you can do the sorting, sort small multiples according to the shipping mode. Activate the shipping mode. Sort small multiples according to the sum of sales, descending or ascending, it can be done. Sort axis, descending or ascending. Sort legend, ascending or descending. So this was all about 100% stacked bar chart. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.